All right, so we're not able to use a fume board. These bees actually like that. If you notice, they'll come back and want to do it again. You notice there's only probably a few frames on here that are really good, ready to go. All right, so now I'd say it'd be the middle frames. It doesn't look like the ones on the outside are ready to be harvested, but I'm gonna take them anyway. Oh, good job, Jeff. I'm not going down like I want to. This box doesn't fit inside this lid very well. I'm gonna have to use this as a bottom. It's not ideal because I only brought one of those. And I'll put this on top of that. Keep more bees from coming in there. See my fume board over there. I don't have my skateboard though. All right. All right, let me cover them back up. I could just I might save time if I just went ahead and did the max strip here, or take out the treatment. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Okay, that's staying the way it is. This is